In this video, I will show how to download and install Instagram to your Windows 11. Click on Start, search here Store, open Microsoft Store. Now search here Instagram. Select this official app. Here click on Get. Now wait for a few seconds till this installing process will be complete. Now once you successfully downloaded, open it. Allow this app to pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut, and auto start on device and login. So this is the optional you can select any setting for your choice. Then click on allow. Now here guys, you have to log in your account. So this is the method you can download and install Instagram to your Windows PC. Thanks for watching.